Welcome to this video on unsupervised learning. After completing this video, you would be able to explain the need for unsupervised learning, describe unsupervised learning, state how unsupervised learning can be applied in trading. A lot of data is available in today's world. In order to make sense of any data, you need to analyze it. You can use certain tools to do your analysis. But as the size of the data increases, analyzing it becomes challenging. How can you overcome this problem? Unsupervised learning algorithm comes to the rescue. Unsupervised learning algorithms can help to discover hidden patterns in the dataset. It can help you to group or cluster similar data points together. You can then analyze these groups and extract insights from them. Let us see how this can be applied in trading. Suppose you want to analyze the stocks that constitute the S&P 500 index, and find two similar stocks. This will help you apply a pairs trading strategy on the similar stocks identified. But analyzing the 500 stocks' fundamental and price data, and finding similarities is a very tedious and time-consuming task. You can use an unsupervised learning algorithm here. Just pass the relevant data for the 500 stocks to the algorithm. In return, it will cluster similar stocks together. For example, it will create a cluster of Google and Facebook, and another cluster of Citigroup and Bank of America, and so on. You can then pick a pair of Citigroup and Bank of America, and create a statistical arbitrage trading strategy on it. This can work not only on 500 stocks, but also on stocks from different geographies, or even from different asset classes such as FX, commodities, or bonds. The unsupervised algorithm will group them together in a matter of seconds. This is useful not only for pairs trading, but you can use these groups to create diversified portfolios. Remember, the securities which are similar to each other are placed together in a single cluster. And security in one cluster is dissimilar to security in another cluster. You can pick top-performing security from each cluster, and create a diversified portfolio. For example, you can pick Bank of America, Facebook, Gold ETF, EURUSD from each of these groups shown on screen, and create a diversified portfolio.